Presenting the 2013 Jeep Wrangler. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are manual exterior mirrors, fold-down windshield sunscreen, AM/FM per candela MP3/WMA player, tachometer, trip odometer, Sentry key engine immobilizer, and shift-on-the-fly 4WD capability. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.